Hello, friends. Hope you are safe and doing good at your home. And you know that today is Monday, and we are back with our Fearless Communicator series, which is happening every Monday and Thursday, wherein I share a tip with you which can help you to become a fearless communicator. And I am really happy, overjoyed to receive feedback from you wherein you have shared that it is really benefiting you and small changes are really making big differences. So, thank you for the feedback and keep sharing the feedback and comments. It really motivates me to share a lot with you. Now, today's tip is about having control over the language in which you need to communicate. When a person is given some topic to speak on or he needs to have a conversation, I have seen people that first they write or think in the language in which they are comfortable and then they convert it into the language in which conversation needs to happen. Major time I am talking about English language. Now this conversion process takes a lot of time and it also breaks their fluency. So we need to train our mind to think in English itself if the conversation needs to be done in English. For training, you need to start from the basic and you need to start remembering the basic words in English itself. Like today will be used instead of aaj and tomorrow instead of kal. So stop using Hindi words as much as possible and start using English words for day-to-day communication and day-to-day usage of words. The second thing which can be done is create your own dictionary of words. I have seen people having a thick dictionary with them, but they are not using them because it really becomes difficult to keep an add-on and especially going to that particular book to learn new things. But if it is done in our own manner, it becomes interesting and it can be easily done also. Now what you can do is spend 10 minutes with you to write your daily routine. It will help you in your personal development also, but it is a very good activity for language enhancement also. When you are writing your daily routine, you will find stuck at some places where you are not finding a word which needs to be used. Now, for that, you can refer to Google or to dictionary to find that word. Make your own dictionary in which you will write the word which you were not finding or you were stuck at. Write the meaning in English itself because if you write it in Hindi, you are again training your mind to think in Hindi. So write the meaning in English itself. Also mention the example from your daily life regarding that particular word because examples make it easier to remember for you. When you have written that, come back to your daily routine and just complete your daily routine. Discuss it with somebody at least for 2 or 3 times so that that word sticks to your mind. Discussion is here really important because discussion will only bring the word to your daily usage. If this thing is done for at least 5 words in a day, you will be at the end having 150 words in the month end. And if done regularly, obviously it is enhancing your vocabulary and your mind is also getting trained to think in English. The fluency which we talk about, the confidence which we talk about will come with this only. Also remember when you're writing the words, try to use some synonyms or better words for basic words. Like if you have to say very fast, you can say rapid. If you want to say very slow, you can say sluggish. If you want to say beautiful, you can say gorgeous. So better words enhance your presentability also. So 3 things to train your mind to think in English. First, bring it to your daily usage by making you remember these small and basic words in English itself. Make your own dictionary with the words which you do not know. When you are making your own dictionary, please write everything in English with example and discuss it with people. And third, also mention synonyms or better words for your basic words so that your presentability is also enhanced. This will really make a vast difference as far as your communication is concerned. Do share your comments and feedback with me. I'll be really happy to receive them. And do share the video if you like it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.